In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 Etsy shop ideas that could take off and do super well this year. None of these are just your standard print-on-demand t-shirt or hoodie shop or just a digital download. These are all really unique ideas that you could take to actually stand out against the competition. I found these through my own research and with the help of Sale Samurai, the Etsy research tool. So these are all validated with having really good opportunity to actually get views and make sales. There are some great ones in here that you don't want to miss out on, so make sure you keep watching. I'm Hannah, and on this channel I share about all things print on demand and making passive income. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe down below for new videos every single week. For all of these shop ideas, along with the idea for the shop, I'm also going to share with you where you can get the best type of product for this type of thing. I source all of my print-on-demand products that I sell on Etsy from PRINTIFY, who happens to be the sponsor of today's video. So I'm going to share with you which products I would pick from their catalog. If you're not familiar with PRINTIFY, they are a print-on-demand production partner that links directly to your Etsy shop, so you have access to hundreds of different manufacturers and hundreds of products to sell. If you're looking from anything from tote bags to journals, t-shirts, and so much more, PRINTIFY definitely has that for you. They are 100% free and make it so easy to run your Etsy business almost completely passively. So if you haven't already, I'll link a video here about how to get your Etsy shop set up and link to PRINTIFY, because that is definitely the first step before you can even start creating these winning products. Now let's move on to those best-selling Etsy shop ideas. Now the first Etsy shop idea is one that I know is going to do super well as we are moving into the spring and summer, but definitely has room to sell all throughout the year, year after year, and that is personalized wedding gifts. Anything personalized does super well on Etsy. That is a known place that people can go to find something that has that really unique touch, that they can actually put something that they want on a personalized item. So if you are willing to offer personalized items in your shop, that gives you just a leg up in order to stand out and make a little bit more profit on each sale. If you don't know how to integrate personalized items into your Etsy shop, I actually have a video about that here, so you can go ahead and watch that. It's very simple. Now, the shop idea that has to do with these personalized wedding gifts that I know will do really well is personalized framed wedding vows. So this is something that is really popular for people to get. It's an amazing gift either for you to get your future spouse or for someone like a mom or a friend to make for you. So how this works is you could create kind of a template about how you would put the vows. You can maybe put the person's name over the top, the date and information about their weddings, and then you simply would be getting the vows from them. They would send them to you and you would just copy and paste them into the document, make sure it looks well, and then send that in and print it for them. Now, since this is a very unique personalized item, you definitely can charge a little bit more for this, but it's a beautiful wedding gift idea. A lot of people like to get something a little special and sentimental for someone's wedding. You can easily charge more than $50 for this. A lot of times things that are associated with weddings tend to have a little bit of a higher price tag. So that is a very reasonable price for this industry and a great shop idea. If you are more artistic, you could even venture into other types of personalized wedding things. People make so much doing customized kind of portraits and drawings of a wedding couple, even in more of kind of like a cartoony style. So you could have them send a photo. If you're a skilled artist or drawer, you can make even more money by doing something like that. And PRINTIFY has so many different options that would be great for this. Their framed vertical print is the first one that I think would do really well for something like this, but they also have so many more options too. The next Etsy shop idea that will do super well is actually creating a full sustainable print-on-demand brand. So you can have everything from clothing to accessories to home items, and PRINTIFY is a really great place to find all of these things. They actually have a way that you can filter out and only show their eco-friendly options, and they have so many different items that you could sell here. With so many more people being really conscientious of sustainability and wanting their clothes to be organic or just not harmful to the planet, this is a great niche to be in. And with something like this, you could definitely target all of those other print-on-demand popular niches. So you could just make regular type of t-shirts, but instead of just putting them on the standard type of shirt that everyone else is doing, you're going to distinguish yourself by being eco-friendly and sustainable. So you can do organic t-shirts and hoodies. You can do things like this biodegradable phone case is an amazing option. They even have soy candles that you could sell. So many great eco-friendly products. And that really becomes the selling point. So with these eco-friendly options, while they tend to be a little bit more expensive than their just generic or regular counterpart, with that comes the ability to charge a bit more in your shop too. So people know that if they are getting something sustainable and good for the planet, that they are going to pay a higher dollar amount. So you're definitely able to charge more. If you wanted to kind of keep your theme all around sustainability and being good for the earth, you could definitely lean into those niches, things like taking care of the planet, saving the bees, all that kind of stuff. Or you could get things like tote bags and kind of brand them as reusable grocery bags. So there are so many possibilities to kind of expand into this green space and take advantage of all of the eco-friendly print-on-demand products that there are out there. Now, this next Etsy shop idea I love. I've been adding some of this item to my own shops recently, and that is creating really fun bar and coffee glasses. So one niche that has been doing super well this entire year, starting from the end of last year, is that groovy retro niche. It is all the rage. Stores like Target and Walmart are just filling up their shelves with that really groovy retro aesthetic, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So I love the idea of creating really unique barware and glassware. Printify has some really cute and amazing bar glasses. This is a newer item. They're a little bit shorter, and it's just something really unique. I think you could take really fun, groovy graphics and just put them on there and make really, really great bar cups, or you could even brand them as like specialty coffee cups. A product like this is great because they could just buy one of those. It makes a really cute gift for either a teacher or a friend. But a lot of times when people buy these, they're wanting to buy 4, 5, or 6 in a few different styles. These are relatively inexpensive on Printify, but you definitely could charge at least $12 and $15 for each cup, or even more depending on the niche that you're targeting. So this type of glassware is a great opportunity, and definitely if you haven't already, capitalizing on that groovy niche is going to be a huge moneymaker as we continue to move on to this summer. Now, the next Etsy shop idea is one that has been proven to do really, really well year after year, and that is creating an Etsy shop that is all about mommy and me fashion, or even daddy and me fashion. So what this is you create designs that are sold on both an adult size t-shirt as well as a kid size t-shirt. And along with that, you can venture into things like sweatshirts and hoodies or other types of apparel. But that matching aspect is something that people are really looking for. It's very popular to get the same type of clothing as your kids. Moms love to dress up their babies in either matching onesies or small t-shirts. And with that, you can charge a premium price for this. So you can either offer these as kind of a combined listing, or you can just have all of the designs in your shop in both a kid size version and an adult version and kind of sort them that way. Like with that last idea I shared, doing this in kind of a groovy retro aesthetic would be a great way to take this, matching groovy mom and baby shirts, but so many possibilities when it comes to mommy and me. So while a lot of people love to say that print on demand is so saturated, it's really hard to break in, but what you have to do as a seller is just think how you can stand out a little bit. So you could just create a generic print on demand store that has everything in it, or you could try and stand out and just make yourself a little bit different by having that aspect where you create matching mommy and me shirts. Now, the next Etsy shop idea that will do super, super well for you is creating a personalized candle shop. So candles is an item that not a lot of people think about when they think of print on demand. We're always talking about hoodies and sweatshirts, all that kind of stuff that you can print on, but Printify has a huge assortment of candles that you can actually customize and print on. So again, like I said, anything personalized on Etsy is going to be more sought after and do very well, and you can charge a little bit more for. So I love this personalized candle Etsy shop idea because there are so many ways to take it. Like I said, that wedding niche is huge this time of year, but definitely sells all throughout the year. So you could do personalized wedding candles where you would put the bride and groom's name as well as the date they're getting married, or you could do personalized teacher gifts where you say, "Thank you, Mrs. Blank," and then put something about teachers on them. You could even just do more of a generic personalized candle that says something like "smells like blank," and then they would put in whatever they want. So you could do things that are funny, or even just like "smells like Grandma Beth's cookies." So the possibilities are really endless. With the price of the Printify candles being so low, this is a really great gift option. It's around the price that someone might pay for even a mug or something. And a lot of times with how inexpensive these really nice soy candles are on Printify, this is going to be way less than if they tried to buy a candle at maybe Bath & Body Works or Yankee Candles, where those candles can be upwards of $30. And they're not even personalized or anything special. So I think this is an amazing Etsy store idea and one that could really take off and do super, super well, especially if you're creating a brand for yourself and become known for these really cool personalized candles. If you are looking for even more products that do super well on Etsy that aren't just your average t-shirt, make sure you watch this video next where I'm going to break down some of my other choices that I love for selling on Etsy and that make quite a bit of profit. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.